Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another live trading session. I haven't done one of these in a while. We're out here, beautiful Miami, new Miami apartment. It's looking very nice. And yeah, let's just get straight into the daily bias, the analysis. Um, yeah, so pretty much we have pretty simple bias today. Well, we have been pretty bearish yesterday. Actually, yesterday I took such a stupid freaking loss. I don't even want to talk about it. But, anyways, yeah. So I know it's a little early to do the bias. It's 9:02 a.m. Usually I go on the charts and do my daily bias around 9:15, 9:20. We don't have any news today. Let's just go and make sure. Oh, I'm putting on someone. Yeah, Wednesday, no news, which is great. I mean, not great, but yeah. So, Rise is pretty simple. As you can see, we've been pretty much disrespecting bullish gaps and then trading lower. Um, we rejected this 4 hour right over here, and obviously trading lower from that. Let's go in the lower time frame. 1 hour. Wow, holy chop session, bro. What the hell? The 15-minute. Wow, what is this price action? This is just full chop. Asia had like a nice expansion, I guess, to the downside, but we're rejecting out of nothing. Let's take a look at ES for a moment. Yeah, I was that's what I thought. We have an SMT at Asia highs, so we don't need to come back and sweep that. And yeah, so pretty much for targets, we only have Asia lows, I mean. Oh, we only have these lows, which is my draw for right now. Overall, my draw on liquidity is that 4 hour for value gap that I marked below, like right over here. I'll show you that in a second. Um, that's some sell side right over here. Let me mark that on ES as well, just to be sure. Like to watch for SMTs and stuff. True day open is right over here. So let me mark that on the chart as well, just so we have it. And I just want to show you guys like that you have some sort of an understanding of how I go about uh how I go about my daily bias and my draw on liquidity analysis, my pre-market analysis. Yeah, but I wanted to talk about one thing that I see a lot of people doing, like a lot of traders doing that obviously are not profitable yet. And it just you're being too scared, right? You're being too scared to trade. You're being too scared to trade on your evals. You're being too scared to trade on your funded. Like at the end of the day, this is just funded accounts. Now I know obviously it's money. You can't be just blowing account after account after account. Uh, but at the end of the day, you gotta make sure that you're trading. You know what I mean? You can't be scared to take trades. You can't be scared to take setups. Don't be stupid. Don't be taking like dumbass trades. Um, but yeah, just overall, be more aggressive. Be confident in your bias, in yourself, in your trading abilities. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. So in terms of scenarios right now, I would say because we have this SMT right over here, we do not need to see price trading higher. Um, Now we do have this 15-minute for value gap over here. We will have a 30-minute potentially at market open. Hopefully, like the price doesn't just start running away without retracing. I would like price to stay around this area before market open. We did trade and reject this 5-minute, but what would be even better if yeah, so pretty much the only scenario would I'll be willing to take shorts. Um, yeah, I need to see a retrace pretty much. and we still have 25 minutes before market open, so there's still like time for price to do something. But I don't care, and I don't even care if price sweeps this intermediate low. It will be a little bit less probability if it does, but what I want to see for today is pretty simple. I want to see a retracement into that 15-minute gap, and then from there, I'm going to take shorts lower. And my drawn liquidity is obviously this sell side right over here, this stack loads over here, but it's the 4 hour unfilled for value gap. As you can see, yesterday was a very, very bearish day, and I want to look for a continuation of that trend. A little bit of accumulation right over here. We're putting the SMT as last manipulation, and now hopefully the distribution lower should start today. Yeah, but I do need a retracement. So, but it looks like right now price is just dumping a little bit. So hopefully we will get the retracement. But if not, that is fine. And we'll wait for a different setup. But this is my daily bias for now, my pre-market analysis. And I'll be back. Yeah, let me stop the recording and be back when market opens. All right, am I recording or what's going on? Yeah, I am recording. All right, so it's still 7 minutes to market open, but look at that. All right. So we manipulated below through the open, right? We retested it, tapped it again, and now we're testing this 5 minute fair value gap right over here, right? And now we have this 2 minute inversion right over here, and it's before market open, but we're not gonna get the retrace if we wait for market open. Like, look at this huge wick, right? We're just not gonna get it. And look, we might not even get like the proper like inversion, which is annoying, but so I will be taking this on 2 evals right now. But it's a little bit of a problem because the entry is terrible. The entry is absolutely dog shit. But to be honest, the entry is just terrible over here. So I'm not gonna be taking that, but yeah, it's obviously playing out. It's just obviously playing out. But you know, I guess it is what it is. Like, I don't understand what was that inversion. And wow, that literally gonna that was literally gonna be a break-even trade, which is even crazier. Like, I would have entered here, stop loss around over here. Oh, yeah. Well, this is why I don't trade before market open, but this is why, like, I wanted to take this, but I didn't want to take this, obviously. But yeah, market opens in like 5 minutes, so we still have some time, but it's very interesting to see what's happening right now, because it's definitely like the bias is super obvious, the drawn liquidity is super obvious, but we just need a deeper retrace in order to take this. Yeah, I would definitely want to see us trade back up here, but I don't know if we'll get it, but let's be patient and wait for it to happen. That's pretty much all trading is. Just waiting patiently. Right. So market is about to open in 25 seconds. Now I have a small feeling we swept this intermediate low inside an intermediate high inside that 5 minute gap. So that was another like manipulation, putting an SMT. And now we had just inversion in this leg. Like we inverse the entire leg. So like this type of trade might play out. Obviously, I'm not gonna take it because it's before market open, but I'm not surprised like if we're gonna just flush. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Uh-huh. Obviously, flushing lower, no entry. So obvious. These type of market conditions are just pretty annoying, you know. But like we had this extra manipulation, SMT, we swept the high, and then just a clear, you know, inversion. Uh, Probably should have taken this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Probably should have taken this. That's an easy trade. Um, you know, all the way to the unfilled 4 hour. Actually, yeah, I mean, I don't know what kind of entry we can get. ES. Let's see where ES is. Well, nothing. Yeah, ES still the draw is Asia lows, but Nasdaq looks like it will like get there earlier. Are we gonna reject it 30 seconds and then maybe we can find like there's not even a 15-second entry over here. Uh, this is very tempting to just short it. Very tempting to just short it, if I'm being honest. It's just so obvious. You know what? I think I'm actually I'm willing to take this. Damn. Oh, never mind. I thought I'm tripping for a second. So we have this 1 minute for value gap. Let's see, a 2 minute up top. So we have this 2 minute right over here. I don't know. This is kind of so these are the types of situations where it can get a little like confusing, not confusing, but like kind of tricky to handle. Um, okay, never mind. That's great for us actually. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Okay. Well, first of all, this is really good actually. I'm really liking this now. Like shorts look so much better right now because we still have Asia low right over here. Still, we did not sweep that. And we have the unfilled 4 hour gap below. So my draw is still lower. And now we just went above true day open again. So for me, this is a very clear sell opportunity. Now, what is this aggressive leg? I have absolutely no idea. But let's see what happens here. If price is gonna react and reject from here, or are we just gonna see like strong volume to the upside? Looks like ES is just running higher. Let's see. See if we get some slowing down, that's gonna be nice. ES looks like it will sweep this high. Okay, so it looks like we are getting some slowing down over here. Obviously, that's still nothing like concrete. I'm not gonna take any entry off of that. But it definitely looks like I want to see like so pretty much at these kinds of situations now, I want to see a leg down and then manipulation higher and then we take the shorts. generating some liquidity, manipulating one more time, and then take the shorts. I would like to see ES sweep that high. That would be really nice. Putting an SMT. Let's see. Okay, so we definitely have some slowing down signs. I'd like ES to sweep that high. Perfect. Okay, so ES just swept that high. So we have just put in another SMT right over here, pretty much, which is nice, which is good to see. But let's see if we actually react from here and reject from here and get a short setup or no. I mean, obviously, we're in overall pretty bearish conditions right now. But let's see if we reject and we get a setup. Because I can short this leg, obviously. Oh, but we did get a new leg now. So let's see. So maybe a CISD entry now. A CISD entry now will be very good. I'm just taking the short. I like this. I really like this. But if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. That's fine. But I'm really liking this trade right now. 1-to-1, I'll go break even. Okay, I'm breaking even now. Risk-free trade. That's perfect. But I want to see us keep flushing. Like, if we don't keep flushing, that's going to be a little annoying. We're going to get stopped out of break even. I mean, to be honest, yeah, we just got stopped out of break even. This is annoying. I think I want to like re-enter again, to be honest with you guys. But that's the thing. I'm not really sure. Let's see. I need to find a better re-entry, a better leg. Okay, so first of trade of the day, break even. I was up nice. Let's see. Maybe we get another resweep from ES, putting an SMT. Okay. I really want to re-enter again. I don't really like this. You know what? I need to. Yeah, I just need a little better entry, but are we gonna just run lower from that 15-second inversion? That might be it. Yeah, we're just running lower. 3 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute. We have it. Okay, so we held. Okay, so we just held the 3 minute, which is not the best sign. We just held the 3 minute for value gap. It will open up a 4 minute in a little bit. But I'm just gonna chill for a second and wait for like a resweep again, maybe ES. Can't believe I got break even on that, bro. It's so annoying. Well, that was annoying. Well, my entry was pretty good. My entry was like right over here. That's 80 points now. Should have let the trade run. It is what it is, man. The entry now is like super late, so I'm not gonna take it, but it looks like it will work. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I might be willing to give this a shot. I need to find a better entry. I can't enter like this, but it does look super promising. You know, I'm gonna I need to see what kind of fair value gap we have. We don't really have a fair value gap to enter on. I can't enter from here like this. But it's just gonna run lower, like I know it will. I hate this type of situations, but I want to take this on eval. Yeah, let me just take it on eval. Okay, that's a quick break even because I don't want to mess around with this type of situation. I'm gonna take profits. It's like 1 to 2. I'm not gonna mess around too much in that trade. Oh, of course, it stopped me out of break even. Ay. Oh, we swept the low. Yeah. Well, this is annoying. Like these type of situations are so annoying. I actually hate these trading conditions. Like no good entry, but obviously we're gonna go lower to that Asian session low. We just got break even rated twice. Like that's so ass, bro. You know, that's actually ass. Yeah, but I want to call it a day just because I got break even 2 times. But it's like I feel like this is such an obvious draw. But I don't want to force an entry. Maybe like a quick, nah, it's gone. It's done. I hate trading sometimes. I really do hate trading sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to you. Well, we just took Asia low, so I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm actually pissed. I'm actually pissed. I want to keep shorting though, like towards that unfilled. But right now it's just way too risky. Like, what do you mean way too risky? I mean, we just swept Asia low, so we might get a small pullback higher or something, but yeah, it's just not worth it anymore. The main draw has been taken and this is so annoying. Like I literally look at the entries, bro. I entered a short over here, literally a short over here. Like just went break even at a 1 to 1, and then it just break even, like raided me and then went to full TP. And then I entered here just for it to break even me again. Nice trading session. That's all I can say. I mean, you can say that I was a little bit too aggressive with the break evens, but I was risking 500 and I was up like $700 on this trade almost. So obviously I'll go break even at a 1 to 1. That this is what my system says. I gotta follow the system, right? But this is just so annoying. Like that was such a clear day. Such a clear day. Such a clear day to take trade. Like I don't even know what to say now. Yeah, but gotta be a responsible trader, right? So I'm gonna lock myself out. Um, that's pretty much it for the trading session today. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's pretty annoying, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna keep trading. 2 break evens, I'm done. That's my trading rules. And only by keeping your trading rules, that's how you um, become profitable. And it is what it is. That's all I can tell you guys. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed watching me suffer while trading and make. How much did I make? $30 across two accounts. $28 across 2 accounts. So that means $50, around $50, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm done for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next live trading video.